Climb inside the 2011 Ford Focus. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, Sirius satellite radio, tire pressure monitoring system, and a split folding rear seat. Available sync technology will activate MP3 and Bluetooth-enabled devices with simple voice commands. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Advanced Track electronic stability control with anti-lock brakes is a state-of-the-art system which constantly monitors road conditions. The personal safety system includes 7 protection technologies which work together to help protect occupants. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.